Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, we will help you the fix Leagues of Legends can't update problem and solve the something unusual happened error.
Fix 1. Restart Riot Client and PC. Step 1. Close Riot Client completely. Step 2. Restart your PC. Step 3. Open Riot Client and try updating again. Fix 2. Run Riot Client as administrator. Step 1. Close Riot Client. Step 2. Right-click Riot Client. Step 3. Select Run as administrator. Fix 3. Check internet connection. Step 1. Restart your router. Step 2. Switch to a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection. Step 3. Disable VPN or proxy if enabled. Fix 4. Disable antivirus firewall temporarily. Step 1. Turn off antivirus and firewall. Step 2. Open Riot Client and update LOL. Step 3. Enable security after update. Fix 5. Clear Riot Client cache. Step 1. Press Win plus R. Step 2. Type %localapdata% and press Enter. Step 3. Delete the Riot Games folder. Step 4. Restart Riot Client. Fix 6. Change DNS settings. Step 1. Open Network Settings. Step 2. Set DNS to 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4. Step 3. Save and restart PC.